Have you ever wanted a keyboard that is clear? Well, I have just the thing for you. These 4-inch nylon cable ties offer the flexibility and reliability that your home or business needs. With a lifetime warranty, you never have to worry about damage or even theft of your cable ties. However, with their sturdy nylon makeup and a tensile strength of 8 kilograms, the warranty is virtually redundant. The net weight of each cable tie is a mere 2.2 grams, so you won't have to worry about needlessly weighing down your system. Visit suitandcabletieevent.gov for more information. This is the eBlue Multimedia Professional Gaming Keyboard, and I wouldn't really recommend it for gaming because it doesn't have mechanical keys. However, it looks super cool, and this is the reason why I got it. Also because I'm going to be living with a roommate soon and mechanical keys would annoy them. The first time I ordered this keyboard from Amazon, a whole row of the keys were not functioning properly. So I had to send it back for a replacement, and this came on my doorstep today. So, what are we waiting for? Let's open it up! Before we begin, I admire the back of the box, then I flip it over and admire the front, and finally I stand it up like this and realize I have to cut this piece of tape. First, I'll carefully insert my fingers into the scissors and grasp them firmly. Next, I will gently spread my fingers apart, forcing the blades to separate. Then, I will shove one blade underneath the piece of tape, then bring my fingers back together to initiate the cutting sequence. Continuing, I pull these 2 tabs and proceed to open the box. I'm shocked. There appears to be a free mousepad. I remove the mousepad from the box, and as I cannot contain my excitement, I give the camera a thumbs up and smile for hours. Next, I examine the eBlue business card. Then I move on to the instruction booklet. Very helpful. Now for the grand final E, the eBlue Professional Multimedia Gaming Keyboard itself. I remove it from the box and remove the foam cover from the USB cord. I remove the keyboard from its foam prison cell. I am awestruck by the sheer beauty of this sexy hunk of plastic and am unable to move for out. Oh, it looks like I'm removing the twist ties limiting the freedom of the USB cord. This product is from China, you know. That completes this unboxing! As far as first impressions go, this keyboard is truly beautiful. I mean, look at this thing. There are many different options for the built-in lighting, and they all look great! So there you have it, guys. The eBlue Professional Multimedia Gaming Keyboard. That's a mouthful. It looks great, and from what I've heard, it performs really well, although I can't say for myself till I try it out. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see a review on this product when I've tested it out a little bit more, please leave a comment and a like, and tell me what you thought about the video in the comment section. So thanks for watching, and until next time, this is PK Russell. See you later, have a nice day, bye! What's that? This pen is $40. It's an expensive pen, but it's really...